Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the Indestructible drone. You are going to select the drone, you're going to pull it out of your inventory, and then you're going to press E on that drone, and you are just going to select the kind of item, and then it will be like stuck to the item, and then it will be indestructible, and you can basically kind of move around with it. To unequip it, just select it and press E again, but it is very helpful when carrying very fragile stuff or like very big stuff, so that when you like go through doors it won't break. But yeah, that is pretty much it. It is one of my favorite items ever. You do have to recharge it when it runs out, so make sure you take it off when you're not using it because it will still kind of drain the battery. But that is how you can make an item indestructible, although it doesn't work well. It does make it like so you don't lose money, but you like the laser like wand, it will still like go off if you drop it, so keep that in mind. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!